Hi everybody, welcome to Crafting with Kelly. So today we're going to make some gingerbread moon pies is what I call them, but they're just little gingerbread people that I made. So I took cardboard, I cut out a good size circle, I went ahead and did all the painting so I didn't bore you guys because I'm sure you know how to paint. I'm not a great painter. So I made 6 of these so we could make a set of 3. So I went ahead and did 2 coats of brown on the front. I did the white puffy paint all around and painted their little faces. I got some skewer sticks. I painted brown. I only did 1 coat, which they probably need 2, but I'm just not going to do 2. We need our caulking, our spackling with our pastry bag. And you cut some strips of cardboard and crinkle them up. Roll them up because we're going to put this in between them so we don't have to have so much filling in there. So we're just going to start here in the center and put some hot glue, and we're just going to start working our way around. I hope everybody's been having a fun crafting season this year. I think homemade stuff is so much fun. And this is fun to do with the kids also. Of course, you'd have to fill the little piping bag for them, but maybe they could do that too. I don't know. So, and try to get your cardboard as kind of even as possible, which I did not do that, I see. So we're just going to work with it here. The thinner it is, the less pastry spackling we have to use for the filling, which was my theory on this, but I think I'll just take my scissors and trim it down just a little bit here, because it is a little bit uneven. So I'm just going to do this. Okay. It wasn't much, but it was a little bit. And I think I wanted just one more little row there. So I'm going to just attach a shorter one here. There we go. And you don't have to be perfect. All the mistakes will be covered up by the spackling, so no big deal on that. Put some more hot glue. I'm a very impatient person when I think it comes for the drying of the hot glue. Like, oh my goodness. I know it's not very long, but it seems like forever, right? Okay. All right, so now I'm going to flip this guy over. We're going to find where his face is level, and we're going to put this skewer in, because cut the hole a little bit here with my X-Acto knife. All right. I'm going to poke it through all of those up until the center. There we go. All right. So that's even. And then I'm going to glue the back one, take another one and glue it on the back. So just want to make sure they're even and not one's upside down and one's all goofy. So we're just going to put some hot glue on the back side. Hold them down. Hope everybody's decorating their houses and their trees. If everybody's doing that, if you're not, then have fun doing whatever you do for the holidays. All right, so we got that together. I did get my spackling in my bag, my pastry bag here. And I went ahead and bought a metal tip with a screw on because I was tired of it blowing out on me. Okay, so we're just going to go around and make dollops here and fill this in. So it kind of looks like a creamy filling. I think I'm going to turn them upside down here. We're going to do this part. And the thinner you make these, the less filling that you have to put in. But this guy I made a little bit wide. So we're just gonna fill it all the way up here. Okay. You can do, you know, whatever kind of texturizing you want. If you want to do this with your fingers, you can do that. Just spoon it on with a spoon and then take a toothpick or something and just, you know, work it into a swirly motion. You don't have to be perfect. They're just a cardboard cute accessory for the gingerbread display. And there he is. It's super simple, easy. All right, so now I'm going to put glitter on them because you have to have glitter on your displays. So let's put glitter on the guy. To the bottom. And when they dry, they're super light. You know, being a little bit wet, they're a little bit heavier, but not too bad. So, all right, and there he is. Super simple, super easy. And I usually do, you know, sets of 3 at a time, so then I can display them in my kitchen in a little jar, and you can make a gingerbread jar or whatever you like. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you have a great day. Happy crafting. Have fun with the kids. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.